Just a little while longer, wanna pray.
Can you say thank you, Lord, just for loving me?
Many times I do forget all the needs that you have met. Oh, thank you, Lord. I know you're showing me. You were there when I am down and out. You're holding me. Your love is so amazing. Oh, you changed me.
Here I am, with all I have, raise my hands to worship. I wanna say thank you, oh thank you, for everything, for who you are. You cover me and touch my heart. I wanna say thank you. Could have died in the stand, but you saved me. Didn't have any hope at all. You gave me peace divine, strength to carry on. Should have been the one to pay, but instead you took my amazing grace. It's more than just a song, even though I don't deserve your love for me. You look beyond my fault and you show me mercy. Here I am, with all I have, raise my hands to worship. I wanna say thank you, oh thank you, for everything, for who you are. You never leave, touch my heart. I wanna say thank you, oh say thank you for the sun. I wanna say thank you for the rain. Thank you, it's all that I can say. Thank you for the love you gave. Here I am, with all I have, I raise my hands to worship you. I wanna say thank you,